it's your girl Nelly. Today we are going to be doing a wash my hair and flatten on my hair and stuff like that. So it's been 3 years since I like trimmed my, well, not trimmed it, I actually cut my hair. So it's been 3 years since I cut my hair. I haven't like put no heat on it or anything. This is what it looks like when it's dirty. So y'all know I be having on like wigs and stuff like that. So the only thing I did was like take out the braids, and my hair is super dirty. I'm ready to wash it, and I'm just ready to see like where my growth is. I'm ready to see if I have any split ends, and I'm probably going to be like cutting it too. And shout out to ETAE. They didn't sponsor me, but I wish. We are going to be using their products today. So I have the shampoo, and I have the conditioner, and then also the most famous caramel stuff. Okay, so for the caramel product, you are supposed to use this before shampooing. You would have to wet your hair, and then you put this stuff on, and then you put a cap on and leave it in, you leave it on your hair for 20 minutes. So after you use this, and then you shampoo your hair twice. Mind you, y'all, these products was expensive. Like, ETAE is so expensive. Like, I'm just trying to see a difference. I'm trying to see if my hair is gonna grow to my butt or not. So because that's what we looking at. I guess I have to like put this stuff on while my hair dirty. I don't know. It's probably gonna be hair all over the floor, but y'all, we gotta get this video in, okay? Y'all see how big my hair is? Like, it's big and it's super thick. But of course, we want healthy hair over length. And I just want to let you guys know that I have been suffering from a bald spot in the back of my head. It's been growing back. I don't even think it's like clean how it used to be. But if y'all see that, don't say nothing in my comment section. And that's just that on that. All right, y'all, it's enough talking. Let's go ahead and get started. Even though this is a little towel, it's gonna get the job done. I still have like a whole bunch of dirt in my hair. I'm just combing it out just a little bit because I'm about to get ready to put the caramel in my hair. If y'all watching this, comment down below what type of hair I got, because I still don't know what type of hair I got. And if you are watching, comment below what type of hair you got and can you relate, because the shrinkage is real. It's so easy to comb out. Wow. Okay, so now I'm about to use the caramel. Ooh. Y'all, when I tell you this actually feels like, well, I used it one time. When I tell y'all this actually like feel like caramel, like just rubbing it on your hair, like, do it really smell like caramel? Not really. Like, it don't really smell like caramel, like, because to me caramel smell good, and I'm not really like a big fan of this type of smell. My hair looks uneven. Okay, so I really don't know how much I'm supposed to use. I could use that whole bottle for my hair, like literally. Like, I just feel like it's not enough. Ooh, my hair is still like good for combing. Like, I haven't used like none of those perm products or texturizer or none of that like since I was like a little girl. Right, y'all, I'm about to put the cap on. We're gonna leave it on for 20 minutes, and then we are gonna head back to the camera. This ain't even big enough for my hair. Okay, y'all, so let my 20 minutes begin. While my hair is moisturizing right now, or whatever it's doing, I have to take job assessments because I am trying to get another job. Don't y'all hate like job assessments? Like, I just don't get the point of that, like, at all. Number two, why is it so hard to get a job? Like, literally, I tried everywhere in the city, and I still get rejected. I still get rejected. Even when it's in my field, in my own field, I'm getting rejected. I have no choice but to work for myself. I have no choice. Like, if that's what you want me to do, just say that. Like, 'cause God is showing me all the signs that he wants me to work for myself. Like, I can feel my hair heating up. I don't know what that means. I don't even know if it's even supposed to do that. It's getting hot, and I don't want my hair to become on fire, because I don't know what that was. So now I am going to wash my hair. Deep penetration shampoo. Let's get into it. My hair is so dirty. Y'all, literally being a girl is so messy. It's so frustrating. We be spending like just so much money just to look good. Meanwhile, guys literally don't have to do anything to get a girl's attention, because at the end of the day, a girl gonna pick them. Like, yeah, y'all, literally girls have to do everything. Like, everything comes from our body. Like, one day a guy is gonna have to experience the same thing that we experience. One day it's gonna happen, like, but that's gonna be like way in the future. It smells really good, but let's get into the curls. Who ugly with their real hair? Who? Okay, I just washed my hair, and bruh, it's still like a lot of soap in it. Like, I'm not understanding. Y'all see that? Like, how is this possible? Like, I just washed it out. And like, y'all know, like, the soap challenge, like, woo, the shampoo challenge. That's exactly what it felt like. Like, I was dead in the middle of my hair, and it's a lot of soap in it. How? How is that possible? I gotta go another round with shampoo. So that's what I'm finna do right now, cause what the bro, what the So I'ma just assume like this is just super strong shampoo, because why is it not coming out my hair? Like, I'm just not understanding. Like I just oh my god, I just don't understand. I just don't understand. Like, I just spent who knows how long I spent just putting water on my hair, and the soap still hasn't even washed out. Like, I don't know, ETAE, you might want to count your days, because this time I'm gonna do cold water, because is no way. I never had a shampoo that was this strong. Like, that's crazy. Like, that's real crazy, bro. Okay, so I washed the shampoo out my hair. Now we just about to put the conditioner on. How long is this gonna take? Cause okay, so it don't say like how long I should leave the conditioner in, but I'm assuming maybe 25, 30. I don't know. So I read this source a long time ago, because I did it for a project. I did hair for like some school project or something. Basically, the article was saying that it's no need to apply conditioner to your scalp, and the only important thing that you need to do is apply it to your hair, because that's what really matters. Y'all let me know, is that true? Because they said like conditioner, it doesn't do anything for the scalp. Do you guys agree? Now it wants to tangle. So I asked my sister to take out my braids, and she talking about something. It's too matted. Like, girl, what you mean it's too matted? Okay, y'all, so I'm back. So the very last thing I'm going to do is wash this conditioner out, and then we are going to be blow drying my hair. So we are about to take it back to the room, blow dry my hair. We gonna get this over with. Anyways, y'all, this is what my hair looks like. So I only have like 2 ponytail holders, but one in the front and one is gonna be over here. So since that's gonna be the case, I'm actually gonna start with this one. So I am gonna be using this thing. It works good. I like this. Okay, y'all, I just blow dried my hair. Now I am about to flat iron my hair. As you guys see, it's getting poofed up again. So I found my rolling brush. Hopefully this will help. I don't have a little comb. I really don't know like where mine's went. Oh my God. I just realized something. It wasn't getting straight because my flat iron cut off. So my hair is not as flat as can be, but this would do the job because I mean I'm not gonna wear my real hair out anyways. It just gets puffy quick. I took like pictures or videos in the bathroom so y'all could see it. And yeah, y'all, like I'm finna cut it because it's time for new beginnings. We're not gonna hold on to no dead ends, no dead hair, nothing like that. So I used to be scared to cut my hair, but I'm not anymore because I mean it's just hair. It really don't even matter. Like I'm trying to get my hair down to my butt by 26. So okay, so I need to make sure my ends are cut for most of my hair. Okay, y'all, this is my hair that I cut. Some of it was healthy hair, a lot of it is dead ends. Yeah, y'all, this is the results. I can't wait until next year for y'all to see like how long my hair is going to be and stuff like that. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and bye guys.